Unlock the power of selling custom merchandise on your Wix online store with a seamless Printify integration. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to your website's dashboard. Look for the app's icon, typically found on the left-hand side menu, and click on it to open the Wix App Market. In the App Market, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Printify into the search bar and press enter. This will bring up the Printify app. Once Printify appears in the search results, click on its listing on the Printify app page. You'll find an Add to Site button. Click this button to begin the integration process. A pop-up will appear asking for your confirmation to add the Printify app to your Wix website. Review the permissions and click Add to Site again. Congratulations! Printify is now added to your Wix site. You should see it listed in your dashboard, allowing you to connect your Printify account. Now head over to your Printify account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a free account on the Printify website. Within your Printify account, find the section for My Stores or Add New Store. Select the option to connect to Wix. You'll be prompted to authorize Printify to access your Wix store. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will likely involve logging into your Wix account again to grant permission. Once authorized, Printify will confirm that your Wix store is connected. Now you can start selecting products from Printify's catalog, design them with your unique artwork, and publish them directly to your Wix online store. From here, every sale automatically triggers Printify to handle production and shipping, letting you focus on your creative vision and growing your brand effortlessly.